जैसे आपने कहा अनिरुद्ध इज अ म्यूजिक कंपोजर जो बहुत ही अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं. And I think we are very, very fortunate to have him on our team, and he's given us a wonderful track. So,
Pankaj, when you see big star cast like this,
when you see the content, आज आम आदमी को क्या चाहिए? मैं 3 घंटे में जाता हूँ, ऐश करके आता हूँ, और रजनीकांत सर जैसे आएंगे सीटियाँ तो वैसे ही बच जाती है. That 3 minutes, the 3 hours, you just forget your worries, you enjoy and you come out. When you have that feel, distribution का टेंशन निकल जाता है फिर.
and आपको तो कोई टेंशन ही नहीं है. वो बोलता है पर्पल पैच, जब कोई एस्ट्रोलॉजर से पूछते हैं, कोई बैट्समैन भी पूछता है कि हर एक चीज अच्छी चलनी चाहिए.
सलिल आपको नहीं लगता ये जो आप अमेजिंग सवाल पूछ रहे हैं
ये भी करेंगे, लेकिन मेरे को भी पूछने दो. उसके बाद तो मेरा पूछना ही नहीं
क्या
है.
पूछना है आपको?
This amazing patch for the last 3 months, यार, it's very difficult to get it going. You know, आपके hit after hit, whether it's online or whether it's the films. Are you counting your blessings? Are you visiting an astrologer? Are you visiting the mandir a little extra?
They say luck favors the ones who work hard and luck favors the brave. So I've just been brave and I've just been intentional and I'm doing everything that excites me, ignites a fire in me, and luck seems to be favoring that.
Luck is favoring the brave in a very nice way. And now her brave request is, please go ahead. Like I said, this
as much as I love Salil, I actually don't want Roxanne.
This is the most intimate, beautiful setting. Go ahead. Anybody, just we'll go one at a time. Can we just, even if you don't want to use a mic because it's so close, you can just raise your hand and go ahead and ask a question. पहले कौन? अभी आंखें नीचे हो गई हैं. I'll continue. I can continue the discussion if you want. Anybody asked?
Okay, if nobody has anything to ask, then.
I have lots of questions to ask.
Oh, you have? Okay.
Even yeah. Yes.
Oh, there is.
Acha, are you waiting for the mic? Oh, okay. You can, if you can stand, you just say where you're from and please go ahead. Yes.
The question is that, I mean, initially it was told that film industry or any entertainment industry is male dominated. Do you think as of now the things are being changed? There is talk of woman equality as such. So, as of now, what is the situation in entertainment industry when it comes to female actors as such?
I feel today content is the most important aspect, and be it male or female, like आज एक heroine का part या आज ये गाना a guy can't do, right? Like you need a actress to do it. Nobody would watch it if it was being done like that. So everyone has their part. In fact ये फिल्म सबसे बड़ा सबूत है उस बात का. इतनी बड़ी फिल्म है, इतने बड़ी स्टाइल पे बनाई गई है. रजनी सर हैं, मोहनलाल सर हैं, शिवराज सर हैं, रम्या कृष्णा मैम है, जग्गू दादा is there. I have a part to play. We are all playing parts in a movie, which is the vision of Nelson sir. So आज ऐसा दौर आ गया है कि nobody shying away from playing a part, because essentially जैसे कभी जब इंडिया मैच जीतती है तो कोई केयर नहीं करता कि किसने कितने रन बनाए. अच्छा लगता है जब सचिन 100 कमाता है, but it's always nice that इंडिया जीतती है. So for us the movie is like that. We want the film to do well, and when that does well, then everyone around it does well. So that's the point. I think I can't talk about an industry overall because that's a very big thing to say. But I can tell you one thing, sir, that we've not made a pan-India film. We've made a rooted, true to its region, strong, big, massy entertainer with probably the biggest superstar the country has. And but we're not trying to make a pan-India film here. We're trying to make a film जो लोगों से जुड़े. And वापस से जब हम कावाला जैसा एक सॉन्ग रिलीज करते हैं, ये हमारे लिए भी एक एफर्मेशन बन जाता है कि जब वो सॉन्ग अच्छा हो. अच्छा ये तमिल सॉन्ग है जिसका टाइटल तेलुगु है, so that's unique. You normally don't have a Tamil song with a Telugu title. And now we've come to the Hindi audiences because we feel like our content is strong, that it will travel across languages. उसको भाषा की ज़रूरत नहीं है. तो I don't think it's one industry over another. It's only about when we are culturally so strong that whenever we take our culture and we celebrate it, वो automatically we are at least hoping कि पूरे देश तक पहुँचे. So यही हमारा प्रयास है.
తమన్నా ఏం కావాలా
మీరు కావాలండి. మీలాంటి బ్యూటిఫుల్గా ఉండాలని కోరుకుంటున్నాను.
బాగుంది. Okay, you love dancing and you're a very exuberant dancer, you know. What dancing means to you?
आई जस्ट नो वन थिंग कि कोई भी मैंने आज तक किसी को गुस्से में डांस करते हुए नहीं देखा. मतलब आपको खुश होना पड़ता है. इट्स लाइक अ गिवन कि अगर आपको डांस करना है तो आपको खुशी में करना पड़ेगा. So I've never seen a very angry person dancing or an upset. Have you seen an upset person dance ever?
But I've seen people struggling. आप
That's
जिस तरह
different.
करते हो हम लोग का ऐसा नहीं है.
नहीं, struggle is a different thing. Have you seen someone sadly dancing? Nobody sadly dances. Everyone happily dances. So I think that's the kind of dancer I am, and that's the kind of dancer I've always been since I was a young kid. I just love dancing. It's a way for me to express myself. It's a way for me to channel my joy, and I love doing it with my loved ones in person, and of course as a performer for the entire audience, because they're all the people I'm actually doing this for.
Tamanna, this is a very good phase for you, you know, personally and professionally also. What would you like to sum up in 2-3 sentences?
I think today, as a woman in 2023, it's very important to accept yourself the way you are. And the moment you start doing that, everyone starts accepting you. And I might have been one of those fortunate people who had the luxury of learning this through the growth of my cinema journey. But I could say this to everyone. It's beauty. People think that film actors, or say supposing people think that I am beautiful. I think true beauty comes from just acceptance. And the moment you do that, everyone loves you.
Tamanna here.
Hello.
It is hi, how are you?
नहीं सर, दिमाग बहुत ज़रूरी है. दिमाग को कहीं नहीं छोड़िएगा. हम नहीं छोड़ते ताकि आपको भी अपना दिमाग घर पे नहीं छोड़ के आना पड़े, ताकि आप भी अपना दिमाग सिनेमा थिएटर में लेके आ सकें. हमारा तो यही प्रयास है. नहीं सर, आई थिंक दिल की सुनना बहुत ज़रूरी है, बट जब हम उसे एग्जीक्यूट करते हैं तो तभी दिमाग का इस्तेमाल करना पड़ता है. और ये बहुत ही एक सुंदर फेज़ है मेरे करियर का, जहाँ मुझे अलग अलग प्रकार के किरदार निभाने का मौका मिल रहा है. एंड लोग मुझे ट्रस्ट कर रहे हैं. जैसे इसी कुछ इन 2 महीनों में बहुत ही वेरीड किस्म का काम करने मिला है मुझे. एंड आई एम रियली थैंकफुल. आई एम आफ्टर स्पेंडिंग ऑल दिस टाइम दैट आई हैव स्पेंड even in the South Indian film industry, Sun Pictures, who were the producers of the Tamil version, and UFO Media, thank you sir, thank you for presenting us to the Hindi market, and I hope this film does well for all of us. Sun Pictures और मेरा बहुत ही पुराना रिश्ता है, because even before I became a popular face in the South Indian film industry, I've done a lot of ads for their brand, and yeah, it's always been magical to work with them. They really cater to audiences, and they make content for audiences.
Tamanna, what was your reaction?